Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python faster full guide. Start by focusing on core syntax and practice small programs daily to build muscle memory. Set clear goals like completing a project, solve algorithms, and read readable code. Use interactive tools, time-box study sessions, and spaced repetition for retention. Join a study group or find a mentor who gives feedback and track progress to stay motivated. Build a foundation with variables, control flow, functions, and data structures, then apply them in projects. Start with small project ideas and expand features iteratively to learn architecture and design. Read and write code every day, focusing on clarity and simple tests to verify behavior. Use debugging tools, print tracing, and logging to understand program flow. Reflect on errors and refactor often to turn mistakes into lasting learning and habits. Practice deliberately by solving focused problems that stretch your skills without overwhelming you. Use spaced repetition for syntax and library functions, and revisit concepts regularly to move them into long-term memory. Do code katas and time challenges to improve speed and confidence under pressure. Seek feedback through code reviews and pair programming to learn alternative approaches. Build a portfolio of real projects to demonstrate skill and attract.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.